Imagine waking up to a world without plastic. It's a strange thought, isn't it? Picture this. You wake up one morning and everything plastic is gone. Your phone is gone, your computer is gone, even your shoes have vanished. It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but it highlights a crucial point. Our world is saturated with plastic. This thought experiment, while unsettling, underscores the pervasiveness of plastic in our lives. From the mundane to the essential, plastic is everywhere. But this dependence comes at a cost. Our planet is choking on plastic waste, and we need to find a solution before it's too late. The disappearance of plastic would undoubtedly cause chaos. It would disrupt our daily lives, our industries, and even our healthcare systems. This is not a call to eliminate plastic entirely, but a call to action. We must find better ways to manage this ubiquitous material. This is a challenge that demands our attention. We must explore new technologies and embrace sustainable practices. The future of our planet depends on it. Our planet is drowning in plastic. We need to find a solution. We produce an astounding amount of plastic every year. To put it in perspective, imagine a mountain of plastic waste. This mountain is growing higher and higher every single day. This plastic waste ends up in landfills, pollutes our oceans, and harms wildlife. The problem is not just the sheer volume of plastic, it's also the fact that plastic takes hundreds of years to decompose. This means that the plastic we discard today will still be around for generations to come. This plastic pollution has dire consequences for our planet. Marine animals get entangled in plastic debris or mistake it for food. Microplastics are entering our food chain with unknown long-term effects on human health. The plastic problem is a complex one, but it's not insurmountable. We need to act now to reduce our reliance on single-use plastics, improve waste management systems, and develop innovative recycling technologies. The future of our planet depends on it. Recycling is good, but it's not enough to solve the plastic crisis. Recycling is often touted as the solution to our plastic woes. While it's a crucial part of the solution, it's not a magic bullet. The reality is that recycling has its limitations. Firstly, not all plastics are created equal. Some are easier to recycle than others. This means that a significant portion of plastic waste still ends up in landfills or incinerators. Secondly, the recycling process itself is energy intensive. It requires significant resources to collect, sort, and process plastic waste. This can sometimes offset the environmental benefits of recycling. Thirdly, recycled plastic often doesn't have the same quality as virgin plastic. This limits its applications and can discourage manufacturers from using it. While recycling is an important step, it's not enough to solve the plastic crisis. We need to reduce our consumption of plastic, develop new and more efficient recycling technologies, and explore alternative materials. Not all plastics are created equal, making recycling a complex process. Walk down the aisles of a supermarket and you'll encounter a dizzying array of plastic packaging, each with its own unique properties and recycling challenges. Understanding these different types of plastics is crucial to developing effective recycling solutions. Some plastics, like PET, polyethylene terephthalate, used in water bottles, are relatively easy to recycle. They can be melted down and reformed into new products multiple times. Others, like polystyrene, commonly known as styrofoam, are much more difficult to recycle due to their lightweight and bulky nature. Then there are multi-layered plastics, often used for food packaging, which combine different types of plastics for added durability and functionality. These are a nightmare to recycle, as separating the layers is a complex and often uneconomical process. This diversity in plastic types poses a significant challenge to recycling efforts. It requires sophisticated sorting facilities and specialized recycling technologies. The lack of standardized labeling further complicates matters, making it difficult for consumers to identify recyclable plastics. Life without plastic would be difficult. It's in more than you think. Let's revisit our thought experiment. Imagine a world without plastic. It's not just about missing water bottles and grocery bags. Plastic is deeply embedded in our lives, often in ways we don't even realize. Our cars, planes, and trains rely heavily on plastic components for their lightweight, durable, and cost-effective properties. Our homes are filled with plastic appliances, furniture, and electronics. Even our clothes often contain synthetic fibers derived from plastic. Eliminating plastic entirely would mean sacrificing many of the advancements we take for granted. Medical devices, for instance, often rely on specialized plastics for their biocompatibility and sterility. Packaging for food and pharmaceuticals often utilizes plastic to extend shelf life and prevent contamination. This is not to say that we should continue our current trajectory of unchecked plastic consumption. Rather, it underscores the need for a more nuanced approach. We need to find ways to use plastic more responsibly, reduce our reliance on single-use plastics, and develop innovative recycling solutions. A new hope emerges. Hydrochemolytic Technology, or HCT, offers a promising solution for plastic waste. While traditional recycling methods have their limitations, new technologies are emerging that offer promising solutions. One such technology is Hydrochemolytic Technology, a revolutionary approach to plastic recycling. HCT uses a combination of water, heat, and pressure to break down plastic polymers into their original building blocks, monomers. These monomers can then be used to create new virgin-quality plastics, closing the loop on plastic recycling. Unlike traditional mechanical recycling, which degrades the quality of plastic over time, HCT can recycle plastics multiple times without compromising their quality. This makes it a game changer for hard-to-recycle plastics such as multi-layered films and contaminated plastic waste. Moreover, HCT is a highly efficient process that requires less energy and resources compared to traditional methods. It also generates minimal waste, making it a more sustainable solution for plastic recycling. Aduro's innovative approach paves the way for a cleaner tomorrow. Leading the charge in this new era of plastic recycling is Aduro, a company at the forefront of developing and implementing HCT. Their innovative approach is transforming the way we think about plastic waste, turning a problem into a resource. Aduro's HCT plants are designed to be modular and scalable, allowing them to be deployed in various settings, from small communities to large industrial facilities. This flexibility makes HCT accessible to a wider range of stakeholders, accelerating the transition to a circular economy for plastics. But Aduro's vision extends beyond just recycling. They are committed to creating a closed-loop system for plastics, working with manufacturers to design products with end-of-life in mind, and collaborating with waste management companies to improve collection and sorting processes. Aduro's innovative approach is not just about recycling plastic, it's about creating a more sustainable future. Their work is a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the potential for technology to solve our most pressing environmental challenges.